Hi guys, welcome to Where is Bishop? For this video, we are going to go over your directions for your Chapter 6 challenge project. And in this case, your challenge project is going to be a DBQ, or document-based questions. So what do I mean by that? So instead of me just telling you so-and-so about Galileo or so-and-so about Thomas Hobbes, you're actually going to look at their actual writings from the time period that they lived, called primary sources, and you're going to use these to analyze and come up with a position of your own. So let's look at exactly what we're going to be doing. So you have this sheet in front of you in class. Now let's look at our directions. Here on the top of your paper you have the objective. I will construct a position on the scientist or Enlightenment thinker and persuade the class to choose their viewpoint. So you're going to be given a scientist or an Enlightenment thinker, and you have to become them and try to persuade us to believe what they believe. So now let's look at the situation presented to us. We are a newly founded village in France in 1750. We have to decide on two important aspects of our new government and how we will view the world around us. This will help us establish laws, our educational system, morals in our society, and many other aspects of life in our new town. So basically, how are we going to structure and design our new government and society? So the picture here, you can see this is a village in France, and here we are. My house I'm going to pick is right here. You can decide where you want to pick any other location. And the question is, how are we going to design our new city? So scrolling down, how are we going to accomplish this task? Let's take a look. In order to accomplish this, we are going to choose three different scientific views, how our planets are in the solar system, and three different philosophical views, ways we think about the world around us, of how our government should be run. The following people have different ways to explain each. The chart here indicates one of the 6 people that you will be tasked with and have to persuade us on their opinions. First, let's look at the scientists. We have Ptolemy, the P is silent, Copernicus, and Kepler. Each of them have their own theory of how our solar system is and our place in it. You will be looking at one of these and persuading us on which one we should believe. As in for the Enlightenment thinkers, second, Locke, Hobbes, and Montesquieu. Each one of these people has their own set ideas of how humans are and how we interact in society. You may also be given one of these people to decide. Again, out of the 6, you will only be given one at random to look at, analyze, and persuade us to believe their thoughts. For this assignment, you are going to persuade us based on their beliefs alone. It's okay. As you can see here under the highlighted, your task is to defend and persuade the rest of the town to choose your way of thinking. For example, if you receive Ptolemy, you are competing against Copernicus and Kepler to get the town to vote your side of the solar system debate. So again, it's who the person is and what they think is what you're persuading us to do. Now let's review our objective to make sure we're all on the same page. I will construct a position on a scientist or Enlightenment thinker and persuade the class to choose their viewpoint. Here are 5 steps for success to complete this activity. You may have your own plan as well. As long as you meet the objective and are able to persuade us on the scientist or Enlightenment thinker of your choice, then you're good to go. So let's review our steps. First, I will give you a scientist or Enlightenment thinker at random. You will be grouped with your classmates. Sorry guys, I'm going to pick this. Your group will be given primary sources and utilize technology to further research the person. And then from there you will establish the position, how they view the solar system or government from your research. Again, you have to focus on what they believed. And finally, you will prepare a creative, informative, and persuasive presentation to have the village choose your person's point of view. For this project, how you construct the position and present it to us is totally open to you. Some of you may want to do a PowerPoint, some of you may want to do a video, some may want to do a skit, others may do a Facebook or Twitter page. It's totally up to you. I know we're set in 1750, but you can use any technology that we have today that you are familiar with. Also, if you need help, please email me at any time, and in class we'll be working on this, so if you have any questions, I'm available to help. I will be providing you with the documents and other resources to help, and further research you can also do if necessary. Hopefully this video helps overview of what we're going to be doing for our challenge project for Chapter 6, The Scientific Revolution and the Enlightenment. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me at any time. For this Where is Bishop, I have my Olaf pop. Thank you. One of the Comic Book Club members gave this to me. And the question is, you may have a pop or not, but where are pops made? Dun dun dun. Let me know where you think. GPS, Google, Maps.com. Let me know what you think. Email me at whereisbishop@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.